2 साल से महाराष्ट्र को लूटा इन लोगों ने मिलके, और फॉर देम टू क्रिटिसाइज द बीजेपी is hypocrisy personified. And it's been nearly 30 minutes, Navika. All we have heard is each party member exposing the hypocrisy of the other. पहले मैं एक्सपोज करता हूं, फिर आप एक्सपोज करना. 30 मिनट हो गए, नाविका. पॉइंट इज, इन पार्टीज ने एक दूसरे के लिए वॉशिंग मशीन रखी हुई है, लेकिन आम आदमी की लंगोट तो है पत्थर पे मार मार के ऊंचे चिड़चिड़े कर दिए. नाविका, इट इज टाइम द इलेक्शन कमीशन हैड अ लुक एट, सीरियस लुक एट पोस्ट पोल अलायंसेस. I believe they are immoral in that they ridicule the voter who voted against the two adversaries getting together for the sake of opportunism. Saina asked for votes on the basis of ridiculing both the Congress and the NCP. Same was the case with JDS and Congress in Karnataka last time round, and BJP and JJP in Haryana. They fight like cats and dogs and convince the voters that they are politically and ideologically polar opposites. And as soon as the results come in, or a little bit after that, the two poles get sucked towards each other to form the core. वोटर्स मंदिर का घंटा है क्या, जो आता है बजा के चला जाता है? The JDU RJD alliance right now is a betrayal of the mandate in Bihar, just like the JDU and BJP alliance was in 2017, just like the Shiv Sena, Congress and NCP in Maharashtra was. And let us not forget how the BJP came to power in Karnataka. All right, immediately after the election, they tried their level best through horse trading and resort politics to form the government, but they couldn't. Then a few months later, they broke the ruling dispensation when 17 Congress JDS MLAs moved to the BJP en masse. And after that, the by-election wins, the BJP formed the government. And of course, those defectors extracted their pound of flesh. One of them was a man, unfortunately, named Anand, against whom the BJP had demanded a CBI inquiry. They went on a dharna for his 15 forest crime charges. But after he joined the BJP, the party made him, you guessed it, the forest minister. And who can forget the midnight swearing of Fadnavis in Maharashtra, supported by a man who Fadnavis had called corrupt barely a week ago. Remember Manipur 2017? The BJP had 21 MLAs in a 60-seat house, Congress had 28. And yet, the governor invited the BJP to a floor set despite the fact that it did not have a pre-poll alliance with NPF4, NPP4, LSP1 or TMC1. Navika, politicians understand Darwinian axiom, survival of the fittest. They are competing to survive. They are mutating to survive. Governments are a roulette in spin. Please understand. Okay. The players switch sides, and will no one loses in the long run? Now, please give me 20 seconds. It's very important. I've been waiting for 30 minutes, Navika. You know what I truly feel for is BJP's Kirat Somaiya ji. He spent the better part of 1.5 years collecting evidence of massive corruption by the NCP leader Hassan Mushrif, who has now been made a minister by the BJP. Maybe he will also call this a master stroke for the greater good, for the greater cause. Just 10 seconds. X is a prefix found most frequently in a politician's CV, Navika. Ex-BJP, ex-Congress, ex-BSP, ex-AAP, post-poll alliance, post-poll agreement, coalition dharma, caste arithmetic, regional agreement, local pact, religious deal. These are telltale genetic markers of the disease called politics. Where is the election commission? Kahan hai wo log?